I'm Nitesh Pradhan from Virtual Automation Based Online Summer Internship Program. In this video, we will learn how to write a Blink LED program. Okay, and after that, we will learn how can we change on the code and how can we modify. Okay, so for that, let's come on the Blink LED program. Okay, come on the that platform where you have download and extracted your Simulite file and Arduino. So open the Arduino. So I had my Arduino has already opened. So now come on the Simulite bin and click on the simulite.exe. Okay. Now here we will try to write. Here we will write the blink code for blink LED. So click this platform. Now come on the blink LED. Okay. Okay. Come on the file. Come on the file. Okay. On the file, come in the example, click and click on the blink. Okay, after that, okay, now press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy and paste here. Now come here and take one Arduino Uno. Okay, take the Arduino Uno. Now okay, let's see here, come and watch the code. So code has three so this is not a code right now, this is just a text, because it is just a text and it is not an executable code. This is just text. Why? Because the syntax is not because this platform is not able to read that kind of syntax. Okay, so to uh, convert convert this text to code, we need to save. Okay, first we need to save. So now come here and press the save. Okay, so come here, come here. So when you will press the save button, this fourth number is save button. So now you will find the bin. So come out the bin, and after the bin, share, and here I will make one test folder. Inside the test folder I will, okay, sorry, come back. Inside the test folder I will try to save my blink LED code. Okay, but blink blink.ino, it means the blink.ino only. Okay, save. Now so you can see here in the below section. Okay, ready. So the path is so file is successfully saved. Now if I will try to compile, so after that I will find I am expecting the one error. Let's see it will give me error or not. Okay, compilation file has successful, but uh, but uh, in your case it will give you error. If okay, for that because it will ask you path. So we need to always set up the path. So okay, so come into blink LED and click on the path. Okay, and go to the platform where you had where you have saved your Simulite. Okay, and Arduino, and click the file Arduino for the path. Okay, after that you can compile. So now my compilation is successful. I will upload and I will run. So now from this platform I will try to change the code. Okay, because now it's working. So let's come here and okay, so let's see once on the this code. Okay, so now there are three parts in the single code. Okay, first one, before the before this space, before this wide space, we can initialize anything. Okay, so first we initialize, after that we declare, okay, we define here. Okay, this where here we define. Okay, and after that here we declare all those things one by one for the our main code. Okay, so this platform is for the main code, this platform is for the main code. Okay, okay, we write our main code inside this. Okay, here we define. Okay, pin is input mode or output mode. After that we write here in. Okay, so let's try to change. Now I want to change. Now I want to blink this led from the my pin number 2. Okay, so for that let's come. Okay, now take one led. Okay, click and horizontally flip. Okay, now connect with the pin number 2. Okay, after that take one register, connect that register. Okay, now connect with the ground. After that run. Okay, after that now come here. Now we will initialize, so I will write I and T. Okay, 2 and 2. Now I will change this built-in led. Okay, I will write 2 here, and again I will change. Okay, again I will change the 2, 2. Let's hit the compile. I am expecting no error. If error will come will occur, then we'll see what we can do. So there is a compilation error from the line 2. Okay, so there is a compilation error from line 2. So can I write this one D2? Okay, can I write this one for D2? D2. Okay, D2. Now detail to pin. Can I let's try to compile. Hit the compilation button and wait. Now I am expecting some okay, success. Okay, so now you can see the my compilation has been successful. Okay, so if I will run. Okay, now if I will upload, I need to upload. So first upload, after that okay, upload successfully. Now run. Okay, why it's not working? Need to check. Okay, stop, compile again. Okay, now after that upload and now run. Okay, so my program has been successful, uploaded is successful, so, but why it's not glowing? Let's check and debug. Okay, so come here and check the output. It generated something. Okay, so it's not generating any voltage. Okay, so how can I take the output from this platform? Let's check it. Okay, so for that, stop. Okay, let's slightly change this thing. So I am taking A. Okay, capital A equal to, sorry, I am taking A equal to, okay, to. Now I will change the on the code capital A. Again, let's change the code capital A. Now again change the code capital A. Okay, let's hit for the compile. Now I am again expecting the compilation will be successful. Okay, so compilation is successful. Now upload. Okay, and try to run. Now you can see it's generating 4.26 volt. Okay, so it's generating near about 5 volts. Okay, so for 5 volt is near about generating 5 volts. Okay, that's because now, so you can change the, you can write your code and you can okay, so this, okay, now if you want to change the name anything LED, so you can give the LED equal to 2 if you want to use. Okay, but why in the case of 13 we don't initialize, we don't need to initialize, because the that is the inbuilt function LED built in. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. From the next video we will see how we can glow 3 LED one by one. Okay.